Greetings everyone. In this video we are going to be discussing about Email Octopus, and this is the best platform for email marketing tool. Now what you need to do is simply head over to the link in the description to simply get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards onto this platform. Now this is the emailing gold mine. If you want to create different type of emailing lists and email marketing, you can see you can even run your campaigns. Head over to your campaign section from the top of your screen and you will be directed towards that. So what you need to do is simply head over to your creating a list. You can see campaigns is now launched. Now we can create a list in here. So first, we are going to be naming it or whatever you would like to call it. And once you do, you are going to be selecting if you want to import your contacts or not. Click on create and your campaign is ready to go. You can see various features like, for example, your contacts, fields, and many other options like, for example, your tags, segments, import, exports, and much more. Now we have your automations as well. So let's just head over to that. To create an automation, click on create. You will see different options. So for this campaign, let's say, and you are going to be selecting a title as well. So once you go through all of these steps, you will be directed towards your automations section. You can see the settings, OpenTrack, Google Analytics link, and much more. So for those who are into email marketing and all this stuff, will be having a better idea of all these settings because everything is pretty much compiled into one platform and it works like a charm. So yeah, they also offer various templates for email marketing and much more. So you can see in the main dashboard we have quite features like, for example, our analytics lists, latest campaigns, and everything is listed in here. Let's just assume that for some reason you are unsure about the platform. You can head over to its official reviews and many people are really loving it. Like, for example, fast, efficient, affordable to reach for customers, simple but effective for contacting, mailing lists, ease of use, and much more. So make sure to give it a try using the link in the description, and that will be getting you extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards onto this platform. Must try. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.